Now, move ahead. Now I would like to invite Nayab. Please clapping for Nayab.
Success without chance is just a dream. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Honorable Chief Guests, respected judges, my dear audience, and Mr. President, Assalamu alaikum. The stand on which I would share my stance is based on a famous slogan, nothing to lose but chance. The chronicles of world history give millions of solid and sordid evidences that man is born free, but he finds himself in chains and restraints. These chains remain the same, but their size, their structure, their size, their symptoms, their bulk and their scale mounts on constant change. Mr. President, man is born free, but is constantly redeemed in a chasm of chains. The chains of Tauric traditions, the chains of consistent customs, the chains of anomalous convention of exotic ritual, the chains of unreal influence, the chains of imperial imposing of atrocious margins, so on and so forth. Mr. President, they all say that man is unique, that man is exceptional. Indeed, all these slogans are nice, bright, and embellished with an epics of brevity. However, no one can deny the unambiguous fact that since time immemorial man is stuck in chains. And for this fact, our Lord Allah Almighty has constantly launched redeemers and rescuers to get the man free from these handcuffs. But these handcuffs cannot be removed consistent resistance. It needs men to be wise. It needs men to be hopeful, to be forceful, to be prompt and proactive, to be desirous of his goals and to be practical on his objectives. Mr. President, man is born free, but he finds himself in chains and restraints. The working class, Mr. President, the working class, they keep on working till their death. And then the calamity of their doom is passed on to their innocent children. They have nothing but mortification. They have nothing but tears, except indignity. They have nothing except dishonor, except degradation, except snuffers, except guilt. Mr. President, I am sorry to say that they have nothing except these measly old chains. Suppose just a while. Imagine, rather honestly considered and think that they have nothing to lose but chance. They do not have pure water to drink. They do not have quality education. They do not have proper shelter. And in this paradigm, if I ask you the question, can we forget about the pains and burdens they carry? Your answer is no. Can we forget about their social needs? Your answer is no. Can we forget about their demands for a good night's rest? Your answer is no. And in this context, do they have anything left but chance? Your answer is no. Ladies and gentlemen, your answers are indeed correct. We cannot neglect their needs and their requirements, because without them, our country would fall into oblivion. Sadly enough, even though we know all this, there still are slaves bound in chains. Thanks for listening.